Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create a booklet using Adobe InDesign. Now you might be asking, what is a booklet? Imagine a scenario where your client is asking you to create a proofread copy of the design that you just finished before it goes to print. There are several reasons why your client is asking for this. One reason might be client want to see the finished design before it goes to print. Creating a booklet might be a quick fix for this request. So make sure to stick around till the end. To explain what a booklet is, I am going to take a manual approach. I am going to use a sheet of paper and making folds in the middle until the total number of pages reaches to 16. And make necessary cuts using a utility knife. Now as you can see that this sheet of paper now has become a small book. Now I am marking each page with their corresponding numbers. Now for this to work, after printing and binding, all these pages has to be arranged in a unique way. This will become evident when we remove the central pin. These are the side-by-side arrangements to make these pages work when bind together. Now let me show you how you can do the same in Adobe InDesign with your finished design ready. Let's open our project in Adobe InDesign. Now I have opened this file, and first thing I'm going to show you is that the file has 16 pages and 9 spreads. This is exactly how we want our pages to be. Adobe InDesign has a great feature for this purpose. The feature is called Print Booklet. Go to File, and here it is, Print Booklet. This dialog box is very similar to how you print your documents. Now we will have to create a preset. Now don't change anything here yet. Go to print settings. I usually prefer to create a PDF, then I'm going to print this document. Select Microsoft Print to PDF, then in setup select paper size. This is the paper size of the base paper. If your document paper size is greater than your base paper, then you might need to shrink it a little bit using these settings. Position as center. This is important. Crop marks and bleed marks are very crucial in this document. Click OK. Now set booklet type to saddle stitch. Go to preview. Now this white portion is A4 size paper, and this is our artwork. Since our artwork is A6 size, so this is not creating any problem for us. Let's have a quick preview. Now print. This is our booklet. The pages arrangement in this PDF might seem a little bit odd to you, but it is totally fine. Now let's print this document. The document has been printed. For now we are going to ignore these bindings on the cover. These markings are very important for the next step, that is trimming. Let me grab some tools and make the trimmings quickly. Just make sure to print this document in duplex, meaning print on both sides. Now remove the excess to finish it off. This is how you can create a booklet to test, proofread and check your page arrangements. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.